The price for gold hit an all-time high to start the week, and it actually happened in the pre-market portion of the session when gold moved above its previous all-time high of 1923. Now, part of it is connected to ongoing tensions or renewed tensions between the U.S. and China, along with ongoing pressure on the U.S. dollar. Now, markets on both sides of the border are coming off a losing week, and there will be a lot for investors to consider this week, including a slew of earnings reports from some big names like Apple, Amazon, and McDonald's. Discussions on a coronavirus stimulus bill expected to heat up in Washington. And we've also got a U.S. Federal Reserve announcement on Wednesday. We got disappointing earnings in from Hasbro. Now, the toy maker reported net revenue in the second quarter of $860 million. That was below expectations. The company also says its franchise brands revenue dropped 35%, and it expects it will continue to be impacted by the pandemic-related closures, but it is expecting the third quarter will be better. Sometimes you just have to ask. A small Canadian company is taking Elon Musk up on his offer to efficiently mine nickel, betting it can be done carbon-free. Toronto-based Canada Nickel says it's now looking into building a facility which will process zero-carbon nickel. The Tesla boss a few days ago promised a giant contract to miners who produce the critical battery metal in an environmentally sensitive manner. Nickel, of course, is a key component for electric vehicle batteries, and there could be a shortage as soon as 2023. Canada Nickel says the $1 billion facility it's looking at would be built in northern Ontario, keeping it close to hydroelectric power as a way to reduce emissions. And speaking of nickel, dimes, and quarters, the U.S. is experiencing a coin shortage, and it was brought on by the pandemic. The U.S. Mint says it's working on the issue, but at the same time, it's also asking people to help out by paying with exact change or finding a way to return coins to financial institutions. Now, this problem first came to light last month when the Fed chair explained that people staying home, shopping online, and avoiding physical currency had resulted in an interruption in the normal flow of coins. In the 680 Business Center, I'm Chris McCusker.